Hi guys, welcome. My name is Puchi and I want to take you on a TikTok journey. So this is for those who are new on TikTok, but as I continue to make progress, if those who are old on TikTok can still learn something, but I'm starting it from scratch. Okay, this video is going to teach you everything you need to know about TikTok. I will even start as how to make your first video. Okay, what you need to do, settings you need to put in place, everything. Just take it as your TikTok or on TikTok 101. Okay, so follow this video. It will be in parts. Okay, I'll have to be breaking it down so that it will not be too long. So just watch out for these videos and follow it through. Everything you need to know about TikTok, going live, doing everything, growing accounts, everything you need to know through this video, you'll be able to learn them. So follow the series and you will definitely learn something. And if you have a question, drop it under the video as a comment. I will take it up. I can even make a video for you to explain it. Okay, let's go guys. Welcome to TikTok.
So to make your first video on TikTok, this is what you need to do. Once you get to your TikTok like this is your For You page. Now what you are looking for is that plus button at the center there. So you tap on that plus button, it will bring you here. So you will see post. Now you need to check if you are going to record video. You can do it, you can do for 15 seconds, there is 20 seconds, there is 10 minutes. What you need to do, then you swipe. This is 60 seconds, this is 15 seconds. You are swiping. Okay, you can see it. You swipe your screen. Now let's use 15 seconds to do our video. So once you click to the 15 seconds, you leave it there. The next thing is to tap on that big red button there. That big red button says record. Okay, when you tap on it, it will start recording. So you begin to say what you want to say. Okay, begin to record your video. Say what you want to say. You want to sing, you want to dance, whatever you want to say, just begin to record. You can see your video is recording.
Then
So after recording,
I'm recording
this is where you find yourself. This is what I just recorded, as you can see. Okay, that's the video I've recorded now. So you have recorded your first video, and the next thing you want to do, okay, let's see up there, you will see where it is reading add sound. You want to add sound to the video. Okay, you want to add sound, you want to add music, like you hear in other videos. You want to add music to your video. That's what you do. You tap that up. So when you tap there, it comes here. As you can see, this is the first sound TikTok recommend. Okay, now you will pick that one. If that is not what you want, you can still change it. All you need to do is swipe down, scroll down, and pick another one. Just tap on another one. Okay, just tap on the icon, it will play. You can see it. You can tap on another one. Okay, like a video like this where you are talking, or you're supposed to use something like background music like this, inspirational. Okay, that's what you need. You don't need to put sound where you're also talking. People will not hear you. So you use something like this, inspirational background sound like this, and your video will be going on. Now what does this icon mean? This cut icon, what does it mean? It's for you to cut the sound. Okay, and you can want the sound to start somewhere, you let the sound start from here. As you can see now, this is how this thing is playing. Okay, so you can cut it. Okay, let me select a music so that you understand what I'm trying to say, explain to you. Now let's use Ogenedo for instance. Okay, you can see Ogenedo is playing. So once I tap on that cut icon, now I want to cut it to start, not to start from beginning just as it has started. Now I want to cut it. Here I am, the sound is playing. I'm looking for where I want it to start from. I want it to start from the chorus, Ogenedo. Okay, so I'll begin to push it towards the left to get, so this is where I want it to start from. I just, yes, this is where I want it to start playing from. Okay, Remember, we are working with 15 seconds. Remember, depending on how many seconds your song, your video is. So I've selected this, then I'll just click on, once I get what I want, I just click on done. Once you click on done, it will bring you over here. You can see now it is starting from where I trim it to start from. Now there's another icon there. I want you to see this icon. Okay, what is it for? It is called favorites. Okay, you want to add this particular song to your favorites so that anytime you want to record video, you will easily go to your favorite and pick it up. You just tap on it, it will tell you added to favorites. That is what you need to know about adding sound to your video. Now there is another aspect of it you need to know, which is searching for the sound, searching for the song if you do not find it in the list. Okay, so if you're searching for a sound is not part of the one that is suggested, you go to search and search for it. So let's search go. I just type go. You see it suggests to you sounds on that category. You will just select any one of them. When you select, it will show you can see all of them there on that category. See it? You can use any one of them as your sound. Just pick the one that suits you. You can also search something different. Now let's search something different from this. Let's search I will pray. Okay, I will, you see it's already suggesting the songs to you. Okay, I will pray. Let me just write that pray. You can see it. I will pray by Ebuka. I select it. Now this is playing. You can see it. This is what we have, guys. Select the sound and it's playing. You are good to go. So once you have done that, you have successfully searched for and added a sound to your video. Let's continue, guys.